ﷺ, the same daf. Holy Prophet used to hear the daf. This was a simple instrument of that day. And there were many other occasions when he heard this kind of things. Some people say that if you loved the Prophet, you are asking from me, I think, so much you would keep your beard the same length as the Holy Prophet did. How do we answer to this question? So there is my full lecture, speech on Dari ki Shari Haisiyat. Basic thing is to keep beard. Sunnah is of two kinds. Sunnah is of Sunnah Muakkada and Sunnah Ghair Muakkada. To keep beard, to cut the mustaches and to keep beard up to a certain level which can be declared to be beard. To keep up the beard and to lengthen the beard, it is Sunnah. And the commandments and the hadiths which are present on this subject tell this is Sunnah Muakkada. Sunnah Muakkada. But Holy Prophet ﷺ, through his own holy mouth, his hadith, he never mentioned the total size of beard with his mouth. He never mentioned. This is not established through Holy Prophet's hadith. What he used to do, it is in hadith that he used, when the beard grow bigger, he used to cut from right, left and down. And other Sahaba, they said that this was normal size of Holy Prophet's beard. So this size was Sunnah of Holy Prophet. But when we go into the depth of hadith and you read Islamic jurisprudence, what kind of hadith establishes the law of Sunnah Muakkada, the hukm, and what kind of hadith establishes the value of Sunnah Ghair Muakkada? What level of hadith establishes the value of being wajib? What kind of hadith establishes the value of being mustahab? So these are the grades in Islamic jurisprudence. When you come to the specific points, so all hadiths which are available on the subject of size, none of them establishes this thing that this can be declared to be Sunnah Muakkada. This falls within the purview of Sunnah Ghair Muakkada. So size is Sunnah of Holy Prophet, Ghair Muakkada. And keeping the beard is Sunnah Muakkada. And some of the scholars, Shafi'i, Malki and other scholars other than Hanaf, they consider Sunnah Muakkada as Sunnah Adiyya and Sunnah Zaida. And Sunnah Muakkada, they considered it as Sunnatul Huda, Sunnanul Huda. So they consider these are Sunnah Adiyya just as custom. Keeping this size of beard, Holy Prophet kept it as a custom. So this was not an order for Ummah. If somebody keeps this much, he will get sawab, definitely. Because this was the practice of Holy Prophet. But they say this practice is not muakkad practice like the commandment of Sharia. This is Adiyya or Sunnah Zaida or Sunnah Ghair Muakkada. So if anybody keeps the beard and it is less than these 4 fingers, little bit less, even then this is Sunnah of Holy Prophet. And he completely gets the sawab of Sunnah. If he keeps it up to that extent, he will get more sawab. He will get. In the same way, if somebody, most of the scholars and ulama, they keep the beard more than 4 fingers. More than 4 fingers. Holy Prophet used to cut the beard if it was more than 4 fingers. Now what would we say about them who keep it more than 4 fingers? Holy Prophet used to cut it when it exceeded from that limit. He didn't say that you should keep this limit. You should keep up this limit. He didn't say this. But this was his practice, which I explained. The scholars say that this was his practice, customary practice. But if the beard more than 4 fingers is permissible and is not against Sunnah, although Holy Prophet used to cut it, if this is not against Sunnah, in the same way, if somebody keeps the beard little bit lesser than 4 fingers, it is also not against Sunnah, it is within Sunnah. So this is Sunnah. You have to keep it. That's it. Little bit lesser, little bit bigger, this doesn't make any loss or damage in